Hello. So yesterday we did everything you see here. First, I talked about Bonfire Night, okay? Ahir vàrem fer tot això, us vaig xerrar de Bonfire Night o Guy Fawkes Night. Vàrem veure aquest vídeo, d'acord? Bonfire Night, it's a holiday in London on the 5th of November. So today, on the 5th of November. Yeah? Um, there was a man in 1605 called Guy Fawkes. This is Guy Fawkes, who tried to explode the Houses of Parliament. Yeah, and he wanted to kill the king because he was Catholic and the king was Protestant. Yeah, him and his friends. One of his friends sent a letter saying, "Don't go to the Houses of Parliament because they're gonna blow up." And they were caught and they were killed. Guy Fawkes was killed. Okay. And ever since that day, that was 1605. Ever since that day, on the 5th of November, in London, people go to the park. They have bonfires, and they see fireworks. Yeah, and the kids build a guy like a figure, like this figure, and they burn it. Then they burn it in the fire. Yeah. So you can watch this video, has English subtitles. Yeah. And then we did this one. So, Guy Fawkes és una festa que se celebra el dia 5 de novembre a Londres. L'any 1605 en Guy Fawkes va intentar matar el rei fent explotar volia fer explotar the Houses of Parliament, de llavors Big Ben, d'acord, del Parlament, perquè el rei hi era, perquè ell era catòlic i el rei era protestant. Però un dels seus amics, una de les persones que anava a explotar el Parlament amb ell, va enviar una carta dient que la gent no s'acostés en el Parlament i els varen agafar i els varen matar. I des de llavors, dia 5 de novembre, se celebra Bonfire Night, que és la nit de les fogueres, noche de les fogueres, o Guy Fawkes Night, la nit d'en Guy Fawkes, i doncs la gent fa fogueres, van al parc a fer fogueres, a menjar, els nins construeixen com uns ninots que després cremen i se veuen focs artificials, d'acord? I van fer aquesta fitxa. So, who's the man in the picture? Describe what you see. This is Guy Fawkes. Qui és aquest home? Descriu-lo. Well, he has a hat, yeah? A hat, a beard, mustache, a cape, yeah? He's wearing black clothes, for example, yeah? Okay. Guy Fawkes is celebrated every year, every decade, every century. Year, any, decade, dècada, century, segle. Every year, yeah? The Gunpowder Plot took place on the 5th of November in 1605. Guy Fawkes and his friends tried to blow up, explode. Take place, passa, yeah? Va passar el 5 de novembre. The Houses of Parliament. They tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament. How were they caught? Com els van agafar? B. One member of the group sent a letter, okay? Okay. Why? Per què volia Guy Fawkes explotar? Because he wanted to kill the king. What happened to him and his friends? Què els va passar a ell i els seus amics? They were killed. Els van matar. They were killed. Guy Fawkes Night is also known as la nit de Guy Fawkes, també se coneix com Bonfire Night. Això és una rima que vos surt en aquest vídeo. Remember the 5th of November. Yeah. Remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. Recordeu el 5 de novembre. Pólvora, traïció i conspiració. We see no reason, no veiem raó, why gunpowder, treason, per sa que la traïció de la pólvora should ever be forgot, s'hagués d'oblidar. I aquí hi ha una sopa de lletres, okay? With these words. So we did this, we watched this video, and then we did adjectives, page 232. 38 on your book. Yeah. So let's see. This was homework from last time. So the adjectives were here. Okay, it was this page. So we have beautiful, ugly, beautiful and ugly 19, beautiful, guapo, ugly, feo, big and small, big, gros, small, petite, number 2, expensive, with barato, yeah, cheap and expensive, number 7, clean and dirty, number 4, clean, not dirty, rude, easy, difficult, fácil, difícil, number 5, fast and slow, rápid, lento, number 9, full and empty, full, blah, empty, buit, number 6, good, bad, bo, dolent, high and low, alt, baix, but not a person, no una persona. Mountain, for example, yeah, high, alt, low, baix, this one, mountain is high. Light, hot, cold, 17, calent, fred. Light, dark, clar, oscur, number 20. Long and short, 11, llarg, curt. Old and new, vell i nou, the TVs, number 14. Old, new, not to people. It's not about the someone is new. Someone is old or young. Vell or jove, people, yeah, person, 16. Rich and poor, ricky, pobre. 15, right and left, dreta, esquerra. 13, right and wrong, correcte, incorrecte. 12, safe and dangerous, segur, perillós. 3, same, different, lo mateix, diferent. 8, strong and weak, fort y dèbil. 18, tall and short. 21, alt o baix, a person, yeah? A person. So we did this and we looked at this. Adjectives. Adjectives go before a noun. They describe a noun. It's a beautiful picture. In Spanish, we say es una foto guapa, es una foto molt bonica, molt guapa. In English, beautiful picture, yeah? They don't change before a plural noun. So we say they're blue jeans, not their blues jeans, yeah? They're blue jeans. They don't change. They don't have an S. We also use them after the verb to be. També els utilitzem després del verb to be. Seria, my car is new. So, my car is new. Després del verb. The computer isn't cheap. Is your car new? Is computer cheap? Yeah. And we use really, very, and quite before adjectives. Very tall, molt alt. Quite tall, bastant alt. He isn't very tall, no és molt alt. Yeah. So white house, white adjective, beautiful picture, beautiful adjective, old book, old adjective, blue jeans, blue adjective, new students, new adjective, strong, adjective, he is strong, we aren't rich, the adjective, is your car new, she's quite famous, it's a very big city, we're really tired. Yeah. And we looked at these American icons. We talked about the election as well. Vam xerrar també de les eleccions. And these are American icons. So this is an adjective and a noun. The adjectives are here, the nouns are here. So this is American football. American football. In America, football is this. Our football is soccer. Yeah? Yellow taxis. So this is a taxi from New York. And it's yellow taxi. Fast food. This is KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Fast food. French fries. In America, these are French fries. In England or the UK, they're chips. They're chips. Yeah. In America, chips are patatillas. Yeah, or patatas fritas, the bag ones. Patatas frigidas like this. French fries. Some people wanted to call them freedom fries. Freedom fries, patatas de la libertad, patatas de libertad, but no, they're called French fries. This is the White House, where the President of the United States lives. Blue jeans, these are blue jeans. Levi's, the brand Levi's. This is a hot dog. This is a sausage, right? A bun, and this is mustard. Other things you can put, mayonnaise, or ketchup, or crispy onion, or pickles, pepinillos. And the last icon is New York, which is a city. Here, we read this text, vam llegir aquest text, que va sobre les diferències entre l'anglès britànic i l'anglès americà. It's about differences between American and British English. And we did this exercise, true or false, so on this text, true or false, yeah? So false, false, true, false, true, false. Yeah, American English and British English are very different. Holiday and postcode are the same. Well, if you read the text, you will know. Yeah, and these are more words that are different. For example, autumn, otoño. Autumn in England. In America, fall. A cookie in America is a biscuit in England. The bonnet of the car in England is a hood in America. The boot of the car in England is the trunk of the car in America. More. Dungarees in England, overalls in America. A flat in England is an apartment, yeah? In the US. A garden in England is a yard in America. A handbag in England is a purse. A purse in England is a monedero, but the purse here is a bolso, yeah? Holiday vacation, this one we had. This one we know, lift, elevator. Lorry, truck, un camión. In England is a lorry, in America it's a truck. A nappy for a baby, in England it's a diaper, in America. The street, acera, it's pavement, in England, sidewalk, in America. Gasolina, it's petrol in England, gasoline in America. We have queue, una cola de gent, queue or line. Pajamas, pajamas, same pronunciation, but this is different, the letter. An eraser or a rubber in England, an eraser in America. Rubbish in England, garbage in America. Strainers in England, sneakers in America. A wardrobe in England, a closet in America, yeah. And also this color, favor, neighbor, neighbor. Litter, center, theater. And we also watched this video, which is about American, British, and Australian accent. So they say the same words, but with their accents.
Banana.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Yeah, they say a lot of words with their accents, with the different accents. And as for homework, you have the exercises A and B on page 213, the adjectives. This is this. Remember this adjective? So the next page, it's this exercise and this exercise. And then other homework is exercise 4, speaking A. Write 8 sentences about 8 things you have using adjectives. So it's this exercise. Tell a partner about 8 things you have. So 8 sentences. I have a new phone. I have a blue phone. I have a very old phone. I have an expensive phone. Yeah. I have a long table. Okay. You can use puedo utilizar these adjectives, yeah, to describe things. That's it. I hope you have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye.